Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the hamburger meat. So first, you're going to do that, none of that, none of those. The color is going to be that. Crap, my switch fell down. Oh, then we're going to do the hairstyle, which is bald. Eyebrows are going to be those, position that. Colors, that color, eyes, that, you can always pause the video. That, mouth, that, position, color, and then facial hair, that, color, and then gender's male, body is that, glasses, favorite color, orange, and then done. You're done your hamburger. You're gonna just name it hamburger like I've done, and then you got your hamburger. See? That's how you make a hamburger. And here are my other meats. I've made a lot of these. More tutorials in the future, maybe? I don't know. Bum, 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 bum.